how to fix iPhone border lights not working with Siri. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So today we're diving into fixing a frustrating issue many of you might be experiencing, your iPhone border lights not working. So if you're not seeing those cool pulsing lights when Siri is active, then I've got a solution for you. Specifically, this works on the newer model of iPhone like iPhone 15, iPhone 16, and more. And this also needs iOS running above 18. So if you haven't updated your iOS yet, you need to go to settings, then go to general, head over to software update, and make sure that your iOS is updated to the latest version. Uh, and then you'll need to wait for the update to happen to fix the border lights. So this is how it works. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.